All right, Ryan's got the forecast. We were talking about the sun shining today, and it really does make a difference when the temperatures are just a little warmer.
Yeah, and even this weekend, I was skiing, and it was below zero up at the top of the mountain, but no wind and the sun, as long as you were dressed all right.
You lucked out today.
Okay.
Yeah.
Could have been very brutal.
I sure could have been. I'm just glad there wasn't much wind. I wanted to show this. Of course, we missed the big storm that was a big storm over the weekend. And the visible satellite today shows cloud cover. You can see the movement here. That's from the cloud cover. But all of this shading here, that's actually snow covering the ground. And the Charlotte observing station down in North Carolina, 11-inch snow depth there. That's going to compact really quickly, and there will be melting, but a major snowstorm for the Carolinas. Even Myrtle Beach had like 2 to 3 foot snow drifts because it was so light and fluffy, and there was some wind. Weather out there now, both in the southeast and locally, much quieter. There is a weak system to our west, and that will come through on Wednesday with a couple of snow showers. It's clear now, and the wind is fairly light too. So these temperatures are going to drop fast this evening. And by tomorrow morning, there likely will be some spots that dip well below zero, particularly in the colder, deeper valleys along the coastline, single numbers for low temperatures tonight. Tomorrow is a bright and sunny day, and I think we have a very light wind. So overall, another good-looking winter day tomorrow. We'll have temperatures that get to around freezing in most of the state, and then we do drop again tomorrow night. But clouds will be increasing as the night goes along, and that weak system I showed you off to the west comes in on Wednesday. So we'll have lots of clouds and a chance for some snow showers Wednesday. I think they're scattered in nature, so there will be some places that get a light accumulation given the temperatures are below freezing, but this won't be completely widespread. Just want you to be aware that if you're out there Wednesday, some slick spots are possible as some of these snow showers pass through. In general, it's coatings to about an inch of some fluff that'll be out there on Wednesday. That's with this clipper that goes by, and even more moisture-starved one comes through on Thursday with just a flurry or an isolated snow shower. And then the following one is the one we have to watch. That comes in Friday night into Saturday, and you can already tell by this, it has more snow with it. Once it hits the coast, it might blow up a little bit and bring a steadier period of snow on Saturday, and then behind this, Arctic air will come in for Saturday night and Sunday. So this little mild stretch we're in right now, it isn't going to last all week. Seas tomorrow 3 to 5 feet with a light north to westerly wind 5 to 10 knots. Sunshine out there tomorrow about 30. Scattered snow showers Wednesday. Just an isolated one as we see it now on Thursday. And clouds will be increasing on Friday. It's a little colder with highs only in the lower to mid 20s. And we'll keep an eye on Saturday. It looks like we get at least some snow. And then once the snow ends, bitter cold comes in for Saturday night and Sunday. It looks both frigid and windy for Sunday as we see it now.
Okay, we're very familiar with that for
We
the
are.
last 6 weeks.
That's a good point.
Fine.
That's a good attitude.
Yeah.
We're
All
familiar
right.
with it.
It'll be fine.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.